Good morning, dear students. Now we will study an important part in your life. And this topic is a combinational topic. It is a common class for middle section. English grammar. It is a common class. This course is developed for the use of 6th, 7th and 8th class, and they can together study this course. Every language has its own grammar. In your English reader and English grammar. In Hindi also, Hindi reader and Hindi grammar. Then if you take a Sanskrit, and there is also Sanskrit reader and Sanskrit grammar. Then what is a grammar? What is the importance of grammar in a language? Only one important thing is that if you want to study any language fluent, you must study the grammar of that language. For example, if you want to study English, the knowledge in grammar is essential or necessary. Without studying grammar, you can't speak in English or you can't write in English. The writing or reading or listening, speaking, the grammar rules, that is important. Now you are studying in English medium school, 6th class or 7th class, 8th class. But out of those 100 students or 200 students, how many students can speak in English without grammar mistake? Ask this question yourself. You already admitted in LKG class or UKG class in our school. After 6 years or 8 years, continuous study in an English medium school after 8 years or 7 years or 10 years. How many students in our school can speak in English without grammar mistake? It is a question mark in front of you. So language study is very difficult. English is an international language. If you study one international language, it is very difficult. Very difficult. But it is possible. Difficult but possible. Continuous efforts and continuous hard work. For several years, continuous dedication, continuous hard work for several years is necessary to study a grammar of a language. We can study English grammar within 6 months or 3 months. We will not be able to speak in English within 3 months or 4 months. It will take a more time. So steady and continuous efforts will make you a better student, better English knowledge student. We can't avoid the English language in modern world because most of the courses are framed by English language. Then what advantage is that if you know English, you can go any place in the world. You can go to America, you can go to Germany, you can go to Japan. But only one thing is that you must know English. So, give more priority for English grammar. Then you should be also fluent to talk in English. Otherwise, English medium education is meaningless. I think that in our school, in middle section students, only 5 or 15, 20 students can speak in English. But without the grammar mistake, it's a problem to all students. So, today you take a decision in your mind. If you want to conquer that language, give more time for this grammar study and try to speak in English to your friends and others. A number of technique also, and coming classes we will discuss all things about it. And before going to start the grammar, the first we will study what is a language. Today we will start from language. Language. But grammar means a set of rules and some restrictions or limitations or theories or practical side or set of rules how to manage a language. That is a grammar. Or Hindi. Hindi has also grammar. Sanskrit has also, Punjabi has also grammar. Or Telugu, that is also grammar. And these are the languages. The first we should understand what is a language. Before going to start the class, one important thing is that don't miss the class. Don't miss the class. Just listen what I am saying in English. I am continuously talking in English and just catch my sentences. Because behind every sentence there is a rule, there is a structure in every sentence. Tense, parts of speech, all active voice, passive voice, direct and indirect speech, all things are included in a talk in English. So you must start in time, you must clearly watch these videos and understand what I am saying. You catch these words, you catch this sentence. So that is also, and listen this English speak or English talk. That is helpful to increase your English efficiency. Okay, but don't miss the class from today. First, we will start with the language. Language, and what is a language? What is a language? Hindi, you know the Hindi language, English language, Sanskrit language, or Marathi language, Punjabi language, Kashmiri language, Tamil language. Number of our country has a number of languages. It is a land of various languages in the world. Our country is known as the land of various languages. Various languages are available in our country. In every state has its own language. That is a speciality of our country, India. The first is language. What purpose we are using the language? The language is used to express our thinking, our ideas, or if you want to communicate to others, we want some language. Without a language, we can't do to others. Is it clear? For example, the two persons. One, this is one person, and this is other person. And we can call this is A and this is B. Two persons or two boys or two girls. And they wanted to talk. They wanted to talk. But they want one medium to talk there. They wanted one medium. That medium is known as a language. Without a language, they cannot change their ideas or thoughts. For example, A is wanted to talk to B and B is also want to talk to A. And between the two persons, for the talking purpose, they are using the language. Can you see this writing? Language. So simply we can say that the language is used for communication. It's clear. Any language, the language is used for communication. Then what we will communicate to others? What? What will communicate A to B? Is thoughts, thinking, or ideas, anything. So language is used for communicate our ideas, our thoughts to others. So communication. So language is used for communicate our ideas and thoughts to others. In other words, we can say that there is a very good definition for the language also. Language is a set of sounds, words and patterns used to humans. And one important thing is that the language is only used by the human beings, animals also in this world, but animals cannot use the language. The language is a system of sound. The first is a sound, S-O-U-N-D. For example, hey, we call one person. Hi. If you meet any person, we will say hi, hi. Hi is only just a sound. It is only a sound. Hello, hi, sound. And this sound is also communicate one idea to others, one message. It gives or it hands over one idea to others. Okay, sound. Then, for example, number of sounds: hi, bye, ho, various sounds. Then other is words. In language, we are using the words for communicate. We will ask one question, one word, why? Yesterday, one student was late in our school. The teacher asked, why? Why are we late? Why? W-H-Y. Why is a word. But if you ask that question by a teacher to a student, that gives a meaning. That change a meaning. Why? The students must reply why he was late. So it's a word. Then the pattern. Pattern means the structure of the sentences. For example, I will write say, I am a boy. You know, I am a boy. It is a sentence. It is a sentence. I am a boy. But this sentence has a pattern. This sentence has a structure. And in this sentence, we used some grammar rules. Tense used. I. Subject. Verb. Auxiliary. All things we used here. Grammar rules. This sentence has written based upon certain grammar rules. Some tense rule. And this is a correct pattern, but in grammar we are using this pattern. In language we are using this pattern. In another way we can write this sentence in any other way. For example, boy, I, a, am. This is also group of words. Boy, I, a, am. This is a group of words, but it has no pattern. It has, in this sentence there is no grammar rules. It is only a collection of words. There is no grammar rules. So we can't say it is not based upon a pattern. So this pattern is necessary. The one is the grammar is a system of sounds. The grammar is a system of words. The grammar is a system of patterns. Used it for what purpose? Used it to communicate our ideas, thoughts, our feelings. If you have a hungry, there is a feeling here, or sad condition, happiness conditions. You can express your feelings in your mind to others. So language is a system of sound, words, patterns to communicate our ideas, our thoughts, our feelings to others. And it is used by the humans, not by the animals. Animals do not do this work. Language is used by the human being. That is important. Is it clear? So study this definition. Then the language is a system of sounds. The language is a system of sounds, words, pattern. Sounds, you can plural. Sounds, words and patterns. To communicate, to change, to give, to share our ideas, our thoughts, our feelings to others. This is a definition of language. Is it clear? Then study the definition of language. Then we can study the types of language. Types of language. Totally in the world there are 7 types of language. 7 types of language. The first is the mother language. Mother language. Okay. I think that the next class we can conduct another video. It will take more time to explain the 7 types of language. So next, another video we will meet again. Okay, thanks.